Feeling tiny pulses inside your belly? It's not a kick, it's a hiccuping. Yes, your baby can hiccup inside your womb and that's completely normal. Indeed, it's a very good sign because it shows that its lungs and diaphragm are developing. It can start as early as 20 to 24 weeks. You might feel that as a soft and rhythmic movements, which is completely normal. Next time when you feel any tiny pulses in your belly, give a smile because it's just a hiccup and it is a reassuring sign. Thank you.